Hello, sixth grade. How are you? I'm just stopping in to say hi and tell you all that I miss you. It's been a couple weeks since we've been able to get together. So I just wanted to tell you and remind you that we are still able to access Accelerated Reader from home. They just added that feature. So now you're able to take quizzes at home. So feel free to do that anytime. Make sure you're keeping up with your reading. You should be reading 20 minutes every night. And I would like for you, if you can watch this video when I post it on Google Classroom, I'd like for you to just comment below what you've been doing over the past few weeks. And I'll start. I've been hanging out with my kids, playing with my puppy, and thinking about what sorts of stories and books we're going to read when we get back together again. So I hope you're staying healthy and you're keeping yourself busy, and hopefully we'll be together soon. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.